Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin's overall market cap, because that's going to give us a little bit of a clue of what's going on in this market in the short term. In the long term, I think we all know that we're pretty good. We're pretty early to the party right now. It's about to get cracking in a little bit. And speaking of cracking, I just want to say yesterday was my birthday. So sorry I've been gone. Had to take some time off. Just enjoying myself. Don't want to get the whole burnout thing that you hear that people get into. But yeah, yesterday, December 9th, was my birthday. Had a nice good time and stuff like that. So from here on out, December 9th will always be known as ECJ Day or Everything Currency Day, whatever you want to call it. That's my day. Anyway, let's get right into it. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 17,933, and I'm like, dang, it got below the price that I didn't want it to break. Look right here, 8.5, and you see once it broke 8.5, there was about an $800 drop, and I was saying 8.5, 8.6. Oh, actually 8.6 was really where I didn't want it to break. That was where my stop loss was at for the Bitcoin that I had on exchanges that I was trading with. And I'm kind of glad that the price didn't really take off and bounce back yet, because I want to see some things happen with the altcoins. Before we get into this, like and subscribe to the video. I bring you these videos pretty much daily, unless I'm on vacation. But yeah, pretty much daily. And subscribe to the video. It helps me out. So here is the chart of Bitcoin on Coinbase on the 1 week. And if you remember, I made the video. I was like, I don't want to draw this line. I don't want to draw this line that was showing up on the daily when we were hitting close to all-time highs. And I said, Bitcoin is not passing. It's not passing the all-time high quite yet. And I don't want this to be some like huge bearish double top going on right here in this, in Bitcoin. But, seeing that it pumped up pretty quick from September to now, this is kind of a needed cool off in Bitcoin, which is cool. Another thing that I'm seeing right now is this is the Bitcoin total market cap right now. And you can see that somehow it's up. It's higher than it's ever been right now. So the market cap is still pretty much at all-time highs, but of course there's more Bitcoin in circulation. That's why we don't see it in the price. But the market cap is still there, and if you don't believe that TA works, you can watch me delete this line, give me a horizontal line. Oops. Come over here and line this line up with the candle body closing open right here. And that was the chart in 2017, and you can come all the way back to now, and you can see that that's pretty much where we're bouncing at. So we are bouncing where we had previous resistance. That means we broke above it. Now we're testing it, and if we can hold, I think this is very bullish for the overall market cap of Bitcoin and the overall market cap for all the cryptocurrencies, for that matter, because Bitcoin has the highest market cap of all the cryptocurrencies. So of course, right? Anyways, so that's just looking still bullish, and you see that more and more of these big funds and these big people are starting to throw their money into Bitcoin. So I am still excited about that. Bitcoin dominance. Now, the Bitcoin dominance, we have this box up here of resistance where we don't want it to break above, because that means our altcoins are going to continue to get killed. Altcoins have been getting killed. They had a little relief rally right here, but you can see that they've been getting killed, and I've been trying to figure out if this is like some type of flag or some type of channel or whatever on here. But so I'm hoping that this is bearish, so it could just keep going down, and then we could see if our altcoins are going to be waking up, which brings me into the main part of this video that I wanted to talk about, which is, I know a lot of people like to just hodl their coins. They have the whole mentality. They say, hey, look, I believe in this cryptocurrency. I don't want to spend it. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to miss out on any of the pumps. I don't care if it only pumps 10%. I don't want to miss it. I don't care if other things are popping. I like this coin. I encourage people that the coins you pick like that are coins that you can stake and or make passive income off of. Even with Bitcoin, you can find ways to make passive income if you were to wrap it in something like Ren, in something like Ren or something like that, where you can go and be able to use your Ren BTC on Harvest or something like that. And if you're looking for places where you can wrap BTC on Zapper, if you type in BTC, you got Ren BTC on Curve. So Uniswap, Balancer, Curve, Yearn are all ways that you can make some type of return on your Bitcoin. So I would encourage people to look into that. If you're holding Bitcoin for the long term like I am, I decided, you know what? If it's going to be pegged to the price of Bitcoin anyway, then it should be safe to go ahead and try to make a yield off of it on some of these smart contracts. As, of course, nothing in cryptocurrency is safe. Always keep that in mind. Also, that brings me to remember that if you're getting texts or emails and stuff from Ledger, do not answer to any of that stuff. It's all a fraud. Don't get your cryptocurrency taken. Don't send anybody your private keys ever. But yeah, so that's one way to make passive income from just, coming on Zapperfy, changing some of your Bitcoin into wrap Bitcoin or, TBTC or SBTC or Ren BTC and putting that on Curve where you can make a return on it. Other than that, I would say there's this website called stakingrewards.com. Now, I made a whole video about this. I'll try to remember to put it in the cards, where I talked about it gives you the top 10 crypto assets by the score. Basically, they're scoring them by how safe they are and the amount of return that they give you on holding them or staking them or whatever. So some of these you could even hold them just on Coinbase and you'll get your staking rewards monthly or whatever, like Ethereum 2.0, Tezos, and Cosmos are all coins that you can hold on Coinbase and they'll give you your staking rewards. Other than that, you can stake all these coins. You can see that they have some nice good rewards. Celo got 10%, Kyber Network 10%, Kusama 14%. A lot of people like Kusama. A lot of people hold Kusama for the long term. Now you can make 14% on that. Also Synthetics tokens. Also Polkadot. So also Cardano. So if you like these coins, don't just sit on them. This is not financial advice because everything is also a little bit of an extra risk putting your coins into a smart contract, but it is a smart contract. So if it's coded correctly, which, you can kind of weed out the smart contracts as you go and learn more about them. But I encourage people to take a look at some of the passive income rewards that you have just from holding some of your favorite cryptocurrencies, because that's the name of the game. That's why we're here, for passive income. So if you have any questions, put them in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on them post notifications. Till next time, peace.